Oh, my stalker's come off.
That doesn't matter.
I can't get it out. You got a... You swallow it?
No, it got stuck in my throat. Just choked on a pumpkin seed. That would have been a really scary Halloween.
Did you?
What?
Your hair is covered in pumpkin.
Oh, my face is wet. I've got pumpkin on it.
Oh, he cut his finger off.
Did you actually? Oh no.
He's doing the peace sign.
Oh, it looks like I've been eating it.
When you get caught in eating that pumpkin.
When you get caught eating pumpkin. I don't know where the big fat scooping spoon is. It's still got pumpkin guts on it from last year.
Right.
I use the same spoon every time.
Can't break tradition.
I know, but I don't know where the big fat spoon is gone. Why did you go?